Card in here. Oh, okay. Yeah! Finally, okay.
I got my city doing front flips. When every father mayor rapper jump ship.
Hi guys, so today I'm gonna be pretending that you guys don't know what apps are, and I'm gonna be showing you what apps are on my iPhone. So yeah, I have the iPhone 8 Plus. I'm sure you guys all know what it looks like, but it's like gold and has a hint of rose gold on like the logo and the sides. It's so beautiful. Like, if there's one thing I like about this phone, it's definitely the color, because this is the most beautiful phone I've ever seen, ever. So it's in this case. This case is just the life-proof nude case. I'm gonna link it down below if you guys want to get it. It's so cute. Like, I am a fan of the clear background and like this part. It has like a little like purple detailing around it. Like, this whole combination, I'm a fan of it. I'm gonna start screen recording right now to show you guys what is going on here. This song. Your bitch won't put it with party. Cardi your body in a Rari. Diamonds all over my body. Shining all over my body. I'm not gonna spend too much time on like this screen right here, because you guys all know what apps these are. So music, I'm gonna be doing current playlist, like get lit with me type videos soon, because I want to show you guys my playlist and what songs that I've been loving right now. So this is my lock screen right now. Guys, this is your year, and I really like that, because like, yeah, like, speak it into existence. Like, this is your year, okay? And then my home screen is another like motivational thing. It says keep going, and like this really cute font with the exclamation mark. That's kind of that's a heart, and I like it. And then the next page we have wallet app, and then all the apps in like this very first front row, I don't use that often. And then Spotify, I don't really use Spotify that often as well. And then we have the social media folder, which these apps are literally my life. Like, if I'm on my phone, I'm definitely on one of these apps, because yeah. So Twitter, follow me on Twitter right here. So whenever I'm sad, I just go on Twitter, because like, I don't know how people come up with such funny tweets. And then we have Snapchat. Let's see. Follow my Instagram, it's gonna be down below. Yeah. Alternate between Snapchat, Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, Instagram, like that. And then Facebook, I barely go on Facebook though. Like, I only go on it because like for work, most of like what's going on at work is on Facebook, so I use that. And then Tumblr, I don't really go on that as well. I use it for like if I want to find something oddly specific that I go on Tumblr. And on Pinterest, I use this app mainly for like nail inspiration. Like, if I want to get my nails done, I go on Pinterest, type in like nails. Like, you guys will see square nails, Christmas nails, rose gold marble, which is basically what I have right now. I have the YouTube app, WhatsApp. I use this app mainly to like text my mom, because it's so weird. Like, if I text her on like iMessage, she wouldn't respond, but if I text her on WhatsApp, she responds. So, and then I have this folder called YouTube, where these are all the apps that I use for like my videos. Like, I use iMovie to edit, and Collageable to make thumbnails, and Vaunt right here called Photo and Video. And I use this app for like mostly thumbnails and like Instagram pictures. So this app called Unum, whenever I want to post an Instagram picture, I put it on here first and like see where to put it, like when to post it, to like match my theme, because I'm trying to make an Instagram theme. So I need to like have all my photos flow well together. But my gosh, okay. This tune, I use it to like edit my Instagram photos, and also like whiten out the background of stuff, make it look more aesthetically pleasing. I have Lightroom, it's to edit Instagram photos as well. Fonto is for thumbnails. Well, I use it for thumbnails to like add on the text. And then Afterlight is to make your pictures also look good. And then I have this app called Karren Kora, which is basically like, it just, I don't know how to show you guys. Like, okay, look at my rings. See, it just makes your like stuff sparkle, which is so pointless, but I paid $2 for it because what else am I gonna use my money for, right? And then I have Boomerang, which I haven't really used this app before. Also, every app that I open, not every, but like most of the apps that I open, it's gonna tell me to sign in because I just got this phone like 4 days ago, so I haven't really had the chance to sign into a bunch of stuff yet. So yeah, and then we have, oh, I skipped over something. Adobe Photoshop Express, which is kind of like Lightroom. What's the difference between that? And ooh. Who? That's funny. Okay, so that's hilarious. But I have Visco, and I love Visco. I'm also on Visco a lot. Next folder I have is called Education, and this is for like my school stuff. So basically I have Quizlet, and then I have Drive. But I have Drive, which is like, well, Google Drives. I don't know how to explain Google Drive, sorry. You like save stuff on there, I guess. And then Google Docs is for where am I? Okay. It's for like when I have to type in like an essay or something, but I don't want to go on my laptop, so I just go on my phone and I type it from there. And then I have Google Translate because I've taken 8 years of French and I still don't know how to speak it for some reason. So I use Google Translate for that. And then I have SoundCloud. And then I have this folder called Lifestyle, which is basically like all my shopping apps. So I have Amazon, which I love Amazon. So everything gets here so quick. Like all the things that I order will be here in like 2 days or 3 days, and I love it. So yeah, I have Amazon. I use it for like all my non-clothing item shopping. And then eBay, I don't really use eBay. I was gonna use it to buy a phone, but I ended up buying it from Apple instead because I just, much safer, you know, after I got scammed. Yeah. And then I have Poshmark. I really like this app because you can like buy and sell clothes from other people. So yeah. Oh, I'll put my Poshmark link below. And I have Dope, which is like seriously one of the best apps invented. Like I thank whoever made Dope because it is so good. I used to have a bunch of apps for like all the shops that I shopped at, and then I discovered Dope, so I could use Dope and like delete all the other apps and save storage. So, and you can add a bunch of like stuff from different stores all into one cart and like check out all of it at the same time. It's the best. So I have stuff from Charlotte Russe, Brandy Melville, American Eagle, and I can like check them all out at the same time. And it's not gonna take the same time to get here, but like at least like I don't have to go on different apps and just order from here. It's like all in one, so it's perfect. And then I have Yelp. I need to like look up reviews for something, like because whenever I would like Google a place that I was going to or I'm interested in and have reviews, and they're like, oh, download Yelp to see more of this review, and I'm like, fine, okay, I'm gonna do it. So I did it. And then we have We Heart It, and I use this app a lot for like my lock screens and wallpaper. It's a cute app. And then Mercury is also like Poshmark, but here you don't sell just clothes, you sell like other stuff too. Yeah, so I have that. And then I have Ulta Beauty, which is like a makeup app. If you don't know, now you know. And yeah, it's like a makeup app. You can buy a bunch of different makeup from there. And I have Sephora, which is also a makeup app. And then I have Netflix because okay. And then I have Gmail. I also have this mail app. Like, I have 2 different emails. So, like, one is on Gmail and one is on email. Like, and then I have Skyscanner, which is, like, an app to check, like, flight prices and stuff. It shows you, like, the cheapest flights. I'm not planning to travel anywhere, but, like, if I am, I use this app. And yeah, and then when I got this phone, this app came with it. It's called Clips. I'm not really sure what it is. Like, I'm not, like, I still don't get this app, but it's on there. So yeah, and then we have Uber. I've only used Uber once because I'm scared of Uber drivers.
Who's the hottest Uber driver you've ever had?
I never went to Uber driver.
This app called Flow, and it's like a period tracker, so you can like track when your period is coming if you're a girl. I really like this app. There's also an app like this called Clue, but I don't know, Clue is too complicated for me, so I like this one better. And then this app is called Vivid Seats. It's like a ticket app. I use this app for like ticket prices because I really want to go see my favorite band Division, and I haven't gotten the tickets yet, so I use this app to like see how much the tickets are when if I want to buy it. So like it used to be $27 and it keeps going up, so I use it to track like the price of the tickets to make sure it's like not too high, you know. I should probably buy it soon before it skyrockets to like $100 or something. And then I have StubHub, which is another ticket app. And then I have Cam Scanner because you can like scan documents with this app. It's super helpful. Like if you want to send stuff like into a PDF and like send it to your email or send it to somebody else's email, you just scan it with this app. And then I have this folder called Finance, which is like my bank. And then I have this app called Cash App. You can like send and request money from people. Like you can receive money from people and it goes straight to your bank account. So like it's super helpful. Even though they charge a fee, I like still don't mind because it's really quick. And then I have PayPal. I'm sure you guys know what PayPal is. If you don't, it's just like a money app as well. You send and receive money from PayPal. And yeah, and then I have the Holy Bible because praise the Lord.
Mwah. Love you, Jesus.
This app is called She Reads Truth, and I got this app from, I found out about this app from Karren Kora. Oh, I already did that. And then we have this app called LifeSum, which is like a food tracker, like fitness app. And then have Reports. It's like an Instagram thing. And then HQ is like a trivia app. You like play for prizes. And then I have OneDrive to like send stuff from my computer to my phone. And yeah, that is all of the apps that I have on my phone. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you watched all the way to the end and you still haven't subscribed, what are you doing? That doesn't make sense. Why are you still here? I'm kidding. But please hit the subscribe button. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! And my camera's about to die, so let's watch it die in 3, 2, 1.